Ever pick neon green on screen or get sad brown coil on paper? That's RGB and CMYK. I'm Leo from Line Paper. Screens add light. Printers put ink on paper. So what shines online can fade in a print. The fix is not hard. Design in CMYK or convert early. Make the risky sports. Do approve. Pick the right paper. Here's how we help. Send us your file. We run a quick CMYK check. We make screen proof and a real sample. We look at black levels, ink limits, and cover stock. Then we fix color so your brand blue stay your brand blue. Scaling a notebook line, we leave in a color. Our process are set right. Our quality checks are clear. No mystery, no drama. Ready to lock color before you print 1,000. Email me for a free print check and paper swatch. I'm Leo, your design, we deliver.
Follow Lion Paper for perfect print colors.